Hello, Constantine. My name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm presenting a personal video for you for the 2015 Honda CBR300RA. It stands for ABS brakes. 20,213 kilometers and the price is $42,888. This motorcycle is fully safety certified and it's very clean. So never been in accidents. Carfax is clean. Brand new tires. The extra feature that you have in this motorcycle is only the tank protector, and the rest is fully stock from the manufacturer. So the unique color, there was a special color but that year. So the bike is available, that's the most important. If you want me to secure this bike, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901. And I'm very happy to assist you. On behalf of Boss Motor, thank you.